Snow on the ground. Yeah, see where I am? Breakfast time.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Since there's no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Check that out. I'm going back towards Tonopah. I had tried to go up to the little, abandoned place or whatever, but I couldn't find it. It was farther from town than I thought, and I'm like, I'm just going to turn around and go back, because whatever's there is covered in snow right now anyway, so I had to catch the obsidian in the spring. But anyway, I'm headed to the Little Alien. Alrighty then. Yeah. I said I wanted some snow. Well, here we go. This is the adventure I'm having right now. Yeah, I'm going to be in Tonopah for at least tonight. Yeah, look at that. I was driving in it. It was just like totally snowblind, so I'm going to stay at the, yeah. Trying to get under some shelter where the snow's not so deep to walk in. Over here on the sidewalk. Yeah. This wasn't the adventure that was planned, but I'm loving it. It's crazy. Why the guy knows got his blade down, man? Footprints. See, you walk in the existing footprints and get nice snow on your shoes. Or try and stay out of the snow all the time. Wow, total whiteout. The snow on that car. Icicles hanging down. Oh man, I'm in like, look at this. I think all my shoes are freaking waterproof. Canes. If you're not wearing canes, you're not very keen. Fulfilling my promise. Threw a snowball. Holy shit, look at my car. Yeah, right. I am at the Little Alien in Rachel, Nevada. And they got Paul on the TV. What's your name?
Michael.
That's Michael. He's awesome. If you're coming up the 375, make sure you stop in here and spend some money, get some food, and buy some stuff, because this is fun. Here, let me take you over here right quick. University. They've got all kind of cool stuff. All right, check that out. Yeah, see? Little alien, Rachel, Nevada. And on the other side of that mountain right there is all the history and mystery. And here, they have taken out the original and put in a fake black mailbox. I have video and pictures of my son and I at the black mailbox, but this might not be it, but it sure looks familiar. Now, this is it. It used to be over in this area somewhere, and they pulled it out, which is bullshit. Yeah, it's out there. The truth is out there. There was a car pulling out there when I pulled up. But anyway, yep, behind that mountain was all the mystery you could ever want. 27 miles to that front gate. I'm not doing that tonight. This road right here, yeah, that's the road to the back gate. Yeah, see the lights? Yeah, I'm not driving out there because it's road's shitty. But yeah.